And I was all like, you know what?
Another great day. Okay, calm down, Hoogie. What is it?
What is it? How do we owe iTunes $3,000? Well, you see, there's this game called
that's expensive. Hold on here. Yeah, I guess Kiwi has a point.
Booty, do you still have your life savings? Oh, I sort of spent that on this funny car. Yeah. Let's see if I can find a picture.
There it is.
That's a Lamborghini. What's so funny about it? The funny part is,
I didn't even know how to drive.
I don't even know how to drive. Oh, okay, whatever. Well, guys, I heard there's this myth on
Death Skull Island.
There are $3,000. $3,000 to find the treasure.
You know what they said. Let's go.
Treasure hunting time. Yay! The fun part is we're not even on water. It's just a human towel. Yay! Day 2, and I'm still out here in the middle of the ocean without food, no water. Hope someone finds me, and quickly. Hey, boy! Survivors. Hey, do you think I could come on that boat? Sorry, we just loaded it with I don't know, Doritos, tacos, and chicken wings. Oh, okay. And check it out, we got Wi-Fi. No.
What a great day.
2 hours later.
Ocean.
Somebody will get to this. Oh, I shouldn't have eaten all those Doritos.
You and Dip, puke. Oh. I didn't need to see. I didn't need to see that.
Oh, great, an even bigger stain. Yuck. Hey, what's that thing you're supposed to call when you see land? Land ho? Well,
Land ho! Ouch. What the thing? So I kept tripping us.
Let's go get us some
boing, boing,
treasure.
boing, boing, boing.
Wait. My spidey sense. Wait, sorry.
Kiwi
sense. Texas is not safe. Yar, who be there? Well, called it. You'll never get my treasure. Can you even see, Tesla? Nope. Ow. Now, what was that thing you said about...
I'll grab the treasure. Come on, guys.
I don't know.
I
got the treasure! It's smog! 2 hours later. Yep, and everyone paid their bill, except the Spikles, of course. Wait. We're here.
We've got the treasure.
We have the money.
Well,
2 minutes later.
we're off by 1 penny, you go. I guess so.
Well, bad news, you're off by 1 penny.